Hi, Busker 909 here, tuned to Open G today, GDG. Before I do the demo, I'd like to explain a couple things about this song. It's a 16-bar blues, so the first riff goes quite long. As a matter of fact, on the record, they play it 4 times as an intro, and then they play it 8 times. As a refresher, I'll just run quickly through what a 12-bar blues is and then show you the difference. This is the 1 chord, G. This is the 4 chord on the 5th fret, C, 5 chord on the 7th fret. So a normal 12-bar would be 4 measures of the 1 chord, 2 measures of the 4 chord, 2 measures of the 1 chord, 1 measure of the 5 chord, 1 measure of the 4 chord, 1 measure of the 1 chord, and the last measure winding up on the 5 chord. What's different about this song, if we ignore the intro, which I will, it's 8 measures of the 1st chord. So sometimes when people hear this song, they think they've got the song when they just hear the lick. And when I do the demo, I'm using kind of like a clean sound, little bit of lean, so you can sort of hear exactly what I'm doing. So I'll be adding in the high note. That's the first riff there. I'll be playing the 2 of them, and I'll be adding in a bass feel. And 2, and 3, and 4, like that. It's a shuffle, as opposed to straight time. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Shuffle. 1, and 2, and 4. So he doesn't do that. His bass player does, but he doesn't do that when he's doing it. So here we go. Here's the demo. That's it. So the first lick, 03035. And that's usually all it is. I'm adding in that high string, like I said, to sort of fatten it up. Because I think it sounds cool if you're playing by yourself. But the lick is just 03035. And it does that 8 times. And then it goes to the 4 chord on the 5th fret. 2, 3, 4. 1 chord, and that's 5/5 and 5, then 5/7. This makes it a C5 chord, C6 chord. 2 measures of that, and then down to the 1 chord, which is G5, and then G6. 2 hits each. Up to the 5 chord on the 7th fret, same thing, which would be D5, D6, and then down to C. And here's where it gets a little different than some other songs. It goes the 5 chord twice, the 6 1, sort of hangs there, and it goes up here. So those are half measures. Back to the 1 chord, just hit it once, and then run up from 5, 6, 7, 7 being the chord. I'll play that for you. Like that. Makes it a little unique compared to other songs, which is kind of cool, actually. So I'll do it from the 5. Then you're back into it. I hope you have some fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.